Hello friends, now it's time to create a clipping path. And for creating the clipping path, it will be becoming more complex. Yeah. Okay. So for now, let's zoom out. Now select the rectangle tool. And let's draw a rectangle. Nope. Make sure to draw that on this layer 3 only. Okay? Not on layer 2 but in layer 3 only. So yeah. And see, so what's happening is that if you draw a shape or something that already has some transform effects, I mean that has already been copied few times, it will again get copied. Yes, that's the fun of this illustrator. Now what we need is, see, it's the rectangle that has been copied multiple times, but we will concentrate only on this rectangle, not all of these. We need to concentrate only a single rectangle. That's it. So select this delete anchor point tool and let's delete this anchor point, okay. And now we got this rectangle. Select the direct selection tool and select this anchor point, drag it, and while dragging make sure to hold the shift key and let's make it thin. Okay, now let's zoom in. We need to concentrate only on this one. Let's make it more thin and let's make it like this. Okay, let me check one thing. So this will be our clipping path, but I think one side is missing. Let me check one thing. Yup, one side is missing. So I think that will be 29 times. I mean that we should have copied 29 times, I guess. Or something is wrong there. Yup, let's press Ctrl Z. Okay, yeah. So here we were actually. I think here we need 29 copies. I think so. Let's take a look. Check the preview option. 27. Yup, it should be 29 copies. Now let's click on OK. Yeah, now it's fine. And now again we need to create a rectangle. So again, just repeat the step. Let's create a rectangle, and from where we are creating a rectangle, just don't think about anything else. Come to this intersecting point at the center and draw a rectangle just like this. And using the delete anchor point tool, delete this anchor point. Select the direct selection tool, drag this anchor point here. Let's zoom in. Always zoom in to work more efficiently. Yes, friend. And we need this anchor point right at here. Yup, there you go. And now, so yeah, we have created this clipping path. Now we need to make the clipping path. That's for sure. And that's really very easy. And you already know how we can make a clipping path. But for now, let's click on this brush and let's draw something and see. Automatically it is being copied, right? Okay, so let's press Ctrl Z. And now this path is selected and this is right at the top. Now select these two, okay? Go to object, clipping mask, make, and see. Well, now let's hide this path and also this path, but make sure to check this clip group. Now let's zoom in, select the brush tool, let's draw something and see. For now, let's check this on. And see. Now, of course, I will undo all of these, but I'm just showing you that how cool it is. Now, let's go to the brushes panel, select this brush and see. Oh my god. Okay, for now let's press Ctrl Z multiple times. Okay. So let's start from here. See? Cool, right? Let's select this brush and make sure this one is checked so that it will be helpful to draw something. Well, where is the clipping path? Yup, this is the clipping path. Now select this one, check the clip group to see. Yup. So draw a shape within this. Okay. Let's draw something and see. Let's press Ctrl Z again. Make sure that this clip group is checked. Select this art brush. Let's draw something. Something is wrong. Let me see. Oh yeah. Okay, now you can control its width, right? See, just like this. You can control its width also. Just like this. Now let's take a look at okay, so let's draw something. Select this. Select a 3-point brush stroke. Let's draw something like this. Okay, let me undo it. Yup. Now we need our symbols panel. Where is that? Where is that symbols panel? There you go. Let's drag it here. Now we need to reduce its size. And let's place it, say here. Wow. Let's That's cool, right? Let's zoom out. Yeah. Really looking cool, isn't it? Let's drag it here and place it here. Wow. But we need to shrink its size. Yeah, this is also looking nice. Select this flower. Let's bring it here. Oh my god, it's really big, I guess. We need to place it here. Let's zoom in. Let's reduce it much more. Let's place it here. Okay, yeah, this is also looking kind of fine. Select the brush tool. Select this 3-point round brush. No, not like this. Let's draw some leaves like this. What do you think? Let's draw some arcs. See? Well, where is the layers panel? Let's uncheck this layer. There you go. How is this looking? Not only that, friend, not only that. Even let's bring this flowers symbols. Well, how I have put it here? Here we have symbols library, right? Here you will see flowers. Just check it on. Now let's select it and let's drag it here. Anywhere you wish. Now let's zoom in. We need to reduce its size, of course.